Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll have a first look at a fitness band from iVoomi in India. So iVoomi has launched the new fitness band in India called the Fitme Fitness Band, and iVoomi has been a brand which has released some budget-oriented smartphones in India. So they have been in India for quite some time, and they have released a few budget-oriented smartphones below the 5K and 7K price segment. We have done unboxing of those devices on this channel as well. So now coming back to the fitness band. So this is iVoomi's new fitness band. It's called the Fitme Fitness Band, and we're not really sure about the pricing as of now, but it does come with quite good specifications and features. So you can see the model name, Fitme Fitness Band, 90 milliamp battery. Then we have wireless connections, Bluetooth 4.2, and we have IP67 water and dust resistance. Then application to sync the data is a Fitme Health app, so we'll talk about that as well. And it is compatible with iOS 8.0 and Android 4.4, and that's the band. And the pricing is mentioned right now on this box as 2,999. So we're not really sure about the pricing as of now, but it will be announced soon, and we'll update you. And you can also see that track your health better with air quality index, that is AQI, is also available on this fitness band. So that's the band. So it's a very simple box pack, and let's just open this box pack and see the band. So opening up, you can see this is the band. Let's just take this out. So there you go, that's the fitness band, and you can see the strap is the blue color. So we have the blue variant. You can see the blue variant mentioned here. So that's the blue variant. You can see iVoomi mentioned on the strap, and the quality of the strap looks pretty good. So let's just take this out. So this is the iVoomi Fitme band, and this is the display. And if you tap on the display, you can see the time, and then you can also see the steps, the heart rate, then you also have the kilometer you walked, and there is also the calories burned, and there is AQI, that's air quality index. So for that you need to connect to the app, because it fetches data from the internet based on your city. So air quality index will not be available for all the cities, because only for cities where it is available will be shown here. So those are the features. So now let's see other aspects. So to charge this band, that's something interesting here. So you can see that heart rate sensor at the back of the band. So that's how you check the heart rate. And the interesting thing about the band is that how you charge it. So this if you just push it here, so you can just take this out. So this is the band, and the interesting thing about charging is that it has this USB kind of charger. So all you need to do is that just plug into any USB source like laptop or power bank, and it charges. So that's the interesting aspect. So you don't have to carry a separate charger for this. So that's how you can also see there is a opening for this band. So just push into here, and there you go, that's it. So that's how you charge this band. So that's the iVoomi Fitme band. Now let's go to the app. So we have installed the app on our smartphone, so we'll just open the app. So Fitme app, there you go, Fitme Health app. So you can see that once you open the app, it will sync with the band, and then we'll show you some other features. So you can see here Fitme app, battery left, you can see you can set the units. Then you also get some additional options like the steps, and you can see the sleep data, your heart rate, and all those things can be synced here. The app looks quite similar to the Xiaomi's app, and since you have not used the app, you can we don't have any data here. So this is how the app looks like. So that's the Fitme Fitness Band from iVoomi. You also get this guide on how to sync the app and how to use the app on this device. So that's all inside the box. So this is the new band from iVoomi, the fitness band. It is called the Fitme band. So we're not sure how the battery life is, and also how good the features are, and how accurate it is. So right now we have just done that unboxing and first hands-on with this device. So that's the fitness band. So right now we are not sure of the pricing. So once the pricing has been announced, we will update in the comment section. So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Fitme Fitness Band from iVoomi in India. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, drop in a comment, and we'll be glad to help you out with your questions. Do hit that like button, and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.